Okay, this is a room tour of Park MGM 12223. So, the first thing we notice is this is a red room. If we look to our right, we have our toilet area. So, toilets at the back. Just to the right of that is your mirror. It's well lit, and it's got a magnifying mirror as well. Dimmer light here with shaving points, and you have the hand wash here as well. Plenty of hand towels, that's all good, and a bin down here. Then you've got a rack which has got their body lotion, which I love. It's great for tattoos, it seems. Flannels, lots of towels, extra toilet roll, and your hairdryer. And then you come into your shower and you've got your shampoo, your conditioner, and your body wash. What I will say is you will need to turn this all the way anti-clockwise to make it hot. But apart from that, the temperature is fine. Hangers. And then sliding door. And then this is one of the limited options it has in this room. You've got your luggage rack, you've got 4 drawers, but you've only got 6 hangers. As you can see, it's very limited space. You've got your safe, and this is normally where your ironing board live, but I'm using it at the moment. And also your ice bucket, so you've got 2 glasses there. And then as you move into the central section, you've got a mirror to your left, full length mirror, hello. And then you've got some artwork above the bed. And the bed's nice, it's fine. And then the only options you've got a telephone, and you've got 2 plugs and 2 USB-Cs on both sides. So no USB-As. And then as we move around, you can see there I've got the ironing board, absolutely fine. It's actually got a alarm on it, so you don't leave the iron on. A single seat and a table, a big sofa, and then you've got a telly which I've actually never turned on, so probably works, it probably doesn't. And then you've got a funky light, and the funky light is controlled by this switch here. And then just moving around, you've got your air conditioning unit. The room here isn't, the view here isn't great. You've got the view of the mountains and a parked car park, the Nomad swim pool, and the tram that goes between here and Bellagio. So overall, absolutely fine. Pros: location of park, the room's relatively cheap, it's comfortable. Cons: I would say there's not enough lighting in this room for a lot of people. I've had to turn on, this is all of the lights, and it still feels dim to me. It's got no USB-As, charging takes forever. But overall, it's a great value room, and I do recommend it. Hope you like this this review. Please like and subscribe. You take care.